welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Anusha Siddiqui and I make makeup tutorials, skincare and other related videos. So if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for all the latest updates. So today's video is about Rivage UK product. I'm going to review some products of Rivage UK brand. I am using these products since a long time now, so I think I should review it for you guys. I'm reviewing around 5 products, which is their foundation, their primer, their fixer, their lip color and kajal. So these are the products which I use a lot. And if you have seen my video of top 5 cleansers, affordable cleansers, so Rivage UK's cleanser is one of my favorite cleanser. So now moving towards their makeup products, I will give you the honest review, like if I like those products or not, and if yes, then why, and if no, then why. So without wasting more time, let's get started. Okay, so first thing which I always do before starting my makeup is moisturizing. So I will use this Dermite moisturizer to moisturize my face. This time I'm using a very little amount of this. The reason is that our foundation is also dewy, so we don't need a lot of moisturization. That's it. I've applied a little amount of moisturizer. After this, I am going to apply Rivage UK primer. So the packaging looks like this. It comes in a packaging of 50 ml bottle and it comes with a pump as well. Okay, so I have taken one pump of this primer on the back of my hand. Now I will warm it up in the middle of my fingers and apply it on the T-zone area where we have pores. Okay, so after applying the primer, I will apply foundation. So for foundation, I'm going to use this Rivage UK foundation. This is their perfect coverage mineral foundation, oil-free, SPF 8, and I am in the shade Ivory. Now coming to the foundation, I will just take one pump of it on the back of my hand and I'll show you the consistency. The consistency is really very runny. This is not a full coverage foundation basically, and it is very runny as well. So on half of my face I will apply it with beauty blender, and on half side I will apply it with brush. I'm using Beautify by Amna beauty blender. Okay, so I've blended it with the beauty blender. Now on this side of my face, I will apply it with brush. For brush, I'm going to use Beautify by Amna 3D Kabuki brush. And I will take another pump of this foundation on the back of my hand. I'm blending it in the circular motion. Okay, so I have blended the foundation of both sides. Now talking about the coverage, so it gives more coverage with brush rather than the blender. The reason is that the foundation is very runny, so the blender soaks more product, because if you want to get more coverage, you have to apply more product. Then you can say it can give you a better coverage, but it is not a full coverage foundation and it is medium to low coverage. It is not going to give you a better coverage. So let's see if it is buildable or not. I'm going to use the brush for this side as well, because I have few pimple spots here, and let's see if it is buildable for that or not. So basically it is a sheer coverage foundation, but if you want a good coverage, you can build it, and it is good for daily use. And if you have oily skin, you cannot use this foundation, and if you want to use, you have to apply a lot of powder, because you can see it is very dewy. You can see the shine it is. So if you have a dry skin, this is perfect for you, because it will remove your dullness or matte look. So after this I will apply concealer. So for concealer I'll use another brand. So after concealing and setting my face with powder, I'll be right back for more products. Okay, so I'm back after doing my face makeup. So now 4 products are left. One is their kajal and their lip color, and I forget to tell you that I have their mascara as well, so I'll show you that one, and their fixer. So first of all we will do the eye look. I'm not going to create any eye makeup or something. I will just show you how I am going to apply this kajal. This is one of my favorite kajal. This is very intense black and amazing kajal. It gives that intense look in just one stroke. Okay, so I've applied the kajal on the lower lash line, and I will use this eyebrow kit, Miss Rose eyebrow kit, and the brown shade from this, and use a brush to smudge this kajal. If you want to make your kajal more long lasting and smudge proof for the whole day, you just need to do this step. After applying kajal, smudge it with any brown eyeshadow. Okay, so I'll use the same kajal and smudge it on my upper lash line. You can see the intense black look. Okay, so after applying the kajal, I will apply mascara. For mascara, I'm going to use their Rivaj UK Sexy Curve Giant Brush Perfect Mascara. So it comes with a brush like this. The wand is very big, so that's why I guess they call it a Giant Brush Perfect Mascara. Okay, so you can see the difference in both the eyes. The mascara is good, but the thing is that it is not a heavy volume mascara, but as it claims that it is a sexy curve mascara, so it gives a instant curve to the eyelashes. Although my lashes are really very straight, so now they are looking in a good curve. I don't feel this wand is good for lower lash line because it is way too big and it is not easy to apply on the lower lash line. I like those small wands for my lower lash line. So after applying this, I will apply some false lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've applied false lashes as well. So you can see the look which turned out after just applying a single product, which is kajal, and their kajal is very intense black. You can see the intensity of the color. Okay, so the last product which we are going to use is this lip color. This is their powder matte lip gloss in the shade 01. I have used this lip color a lot, and in my video of my top 12 nudes, I have given the review of this as well. So this is a really nice matte lip color. It gives a powder sort of finish as it claims that powder matte lip gloss. So I'll apply it. Okay, so you can see it is very powdery and matte, but the texture is really amazing. The quality is very nice. It is very comfortable on lips. I'm not feeling something which is very stretchy or like very dry. My lips are feeling very comfortable, and it is matte on the same time. Although when we use other matte lip colors, they are very dry on your lips, but this is really very comfortable. I love this lip color. Okay, so the last and final product is their fixer spray. So the fixer is really nice as well, and I will apply it. I'll first shake it and then spray it on my face. So you have to protect your eyes when you are applying any fixer spray. Okay, so I have applied the fixer as well, and you can see the dewy finish. This fixer gives you a dewy finish. It is not matte at all. Now coming to the review of all products one by one. The first product which I applied was this primer. So the primer is silicone to gel base type. So it gives a very nice smooth texture to the skin. If you have uneven skin or pores, it will blur out the pores as well. It is a really very nice primer. It gives very soft and smooth clean canvas. So this product is highly recommended. So the next product was this foundation. This is the Color Art Rivaaj UK 12 hours perfect coverage mineral foundation, oil free, SPF 8. Okay, so it is good that it has SPF 8 in it. So, and the second thing is it says it is 12-hour long lasting. So yeah, it is long lasting, but you have to apply a lot of powder on it to set this foundation. Although it is now transfer proof, but when you will apply it, it will not give you that transfer proof texture. As you have seen, it was very dewy. Okay, so after setting it with powder, it will give you a good lasting as well, but the coverage is not good if you are a full coverage kind of person. Okay, the setting powder should be a good quality one, because I set this firstly with this powder. This is Beautify by Amna translucent powder, but my face was way too sweaty, like it sweats a lot. But when I set it with this powder, this is Face It Loose powder, one of my favorite loose powder. It gives the matte finish like a dewy but not sweaty that it was before. So you need to use a good quality powder on top of this foundation. Okay, so after this I will talk about this kajal. So this is their kajal. The kajal is really good. I love this kajal, and you can see the intense black look. We haven't applied any eyeshadow, just use the eyebrow pomade to just smudge this color a little bit. And as I have set this with the brown color, it will not smudge the whole day. So this is my favorite kajal. This is highly recommended. This product is amazing. After kajal, I will talk about their mascara. Their mascara is good, as I have already told you while using it. The wand is good, but not for my lower lash line. I don't like it for lower lash line because it can smudge the product with the skin. So I don't like the big wands for my lower lash line, but it is good for upper lashes. But it will not give you a lot of volume if you need a heavy lash mascara. So this is not the product for you. If you need a product again for daily look, I guess these products are made for daily use. So the foundation is good for daily use, the kajal is amazing, and this is for daily use. Okay, so after this I will talk about this product, which I've already told is amazing. You can see the shade and it is very comfortable on my lips. I'm not feeling that I've wear any matte lip color. Like when you wear a matte lip color, you must have experienced this, that it is not comfortable at all. But this is very comfortable, that I have not wear anything at all. So this is highly recommended as well. The shade is 01. You can try their other shades as well. This is the nude color, so I got this one. Okay, so after this, the final product is their setting spray. The setting spray is very good, but you have to save your eyes before applying it. I mean, the spray of the bottle splash is a little bit harsh. It will be harsh if you will not cover your eyes. It can poke into it and you will have burning sensation. So yeah, you have to be careful while using it. So the quality of this product is very good. It will give you a dewy finish. But if you want a matte finish, so you cannot use this one, I will recommend you the NYX matte finish fixer, and it will set your makeup till day 8 to 10 hours easily. So this was all about this review, and if you like it, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you want me to review other products, other brands, you can give your suggestions as well in the comments down below. And if you want to ask any question, you can ask in comments and on my Instagram as well. I will link my Instagram handle in the description box, so you can follow me there as well. So this was all about this video. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get all the latest updates. So thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.